suggestion which has come through the High Court only again. Have you all have a survey of amount of the number of sand dunes that are there in our village? Do you all know how many sand dunes are there in our village? No, I believe you all don't know, right? No, even I don't know. So see, you are in the panchayat. You make up the list. See, so I'm not fighting. FBI बाबा हाँ FBI आप बोले कौन है बिना FBI बोले FBI कौन है तो एक के बढ़िया के मांगुली सुन इंसान से बोले FBI बोले अरे बाबा FBI कौन है बिना तो पर्सनल इंटरेस्ट जे काय ना मास दोस्त बा बोले का My only suggestion is that sand dunes know when the sand dunes are your do a survey. My one suggestion, the only suggestion to you, other than this three complaints that you put, one suggestion, the amount of sand dunes that are there, do a survey of the sand dunes, do an entire proper survey and then put hoardings over there. Put hoardings near the sand dunes and say, whoever destroys or wants as an intention to destroy the sand dunes will be putting a punishable act, a punishable fine, or will be, there will be a case that will come. But till now, you have not done any of these procedures, which that's what's hurting all of us as villagers. You all should have gone to the police, you all should have gone to the GCZME, you all should have gone to the CRZ, which you all didn't go. If you all are clean, if you all are transparent, go to it. Doesn't look.
We have to control this. We have to control the proceedings of this meeting. We have to control the proceedings. We are really come for a good cause, fighting for the sand dunes.